Which train?
The GO train.
The GO train?
Yeah.
You have GO train in Alberta? Huh?
Yep.
Yep, where?
Where?
Huh?
Where?
What? No, where? Just show me the GO train.
So far.
So far? You know the place? We can go in the car? Huh? Hiba, can we go in the car? Huh?
I would drive.
You no, tell me, where's the GO train? Huh?
It's very fast.
It's very fast? Okay, where?
Well, over there.
Over there?
Yeah.
I cannot see.
Mama, where's the GO train?
No, you told me you know. Huh?
It's not going.
It's not going? Okay. Oh, okay?